She has oil in her pan. She has it up on high. Wow, is that even zooming in? Wow, that thing's dirty. Has it up close to high. She has 2 eggs. She has white rice already cooked. She has some trash sitting on her cutting board. They look like some type of greens. She has some like thawed out or microwaved sausage cut up. Are you adding that first? What are we waiting on?
Let it well. Because I just take out the sausage out for the freezer. Right now it's still cold and I need to heat it up.
Oh. Why didn't you nuke it in the microwave for 5 minutes or some shit?
For my sausage, it don't done. Look like you have for in the Kohler or Walmart.
So that's why you nuke it in the microwave.
Not sure it's done.
You're not sure it's done? Ah, that's fine. That's why we got stomach medicine.
You cut the sausage and you make.
Is that sweet sausage?
Yeah. 1 minute. You see, it really around like.
Did you say 1 minute?
Yeah, just 1 minute.
For what?
And right now, the oil heat up.
So you heat up your oil.
Yeah.
And then you turn it down to medium.
What do you say?
Huh?
You need to mix look like that and make sure the sausage.
Yeah, mix it up, turn it over to cook it. And I'm pretty sure that's like kind of common sense. Only people that can't cook like me wouldn't know that because I would have nuked it in the microwave.
Yeah, but for 1 minute, the sausage look like that.
Look like that? What's it supposed to look like?
You see, it could be around. Yeah, it's not red so much.
Crispy, just not red so much. So done?
Yeah, just 1 minute. And right now, turn off it.
And then now you turn off it and you move it into a bowl.
Yeah. Because you need to cook rice separate.
Cook the rice separate? Okay.
Turn off the.
Why did you even turn it off in the first place? Now you're dumping all your rice in.
The rice.
A little bit at a time or just all at once? All at once it is. I feel like I'm about to get popped.
Sorry, I make the rice mix up already.
So this rice, we cooked it either yesterday or the day before, so it's been sitting in the fridge. So parts of it's like hard.
You
and
can make for the new rice after it's done. But I cooked done it for yesterday.
Easier to use new rice to be made, but she likes to make a lot of rice. So when she uses the last bit of the old rice, she starts a new batch, and then it'll probably go right into the fridge too. I feel like I need to buy me a phone stand. So I can start doing
Now, some sauce.
Salt. How much salt are you putting?
Depends for somebody that is salty or not, you know that?
Salty or not?
Yeah. Right now you just put a little bit first. Just a little bit. Add for the I cook for the soy sauce.
So that's soy sauce?
Yeah, for the soy sauce. A little bit soy sauce. You know I like sugar, right?
Wait, why are we adding sugar?
I love sugar. I put a little bit sugar too.
That's why you're gaining weight.
You know Mexican?
Huh?
M-H-E.
What?
I don't know. But
What is that?
I will show you later.
What is that?
Have a little bit.
What is that?
Hold on, I'll show.
Why don't you just show me the container?
I need to have the back. Yeah, I'll show you.
Oh, that's just a container with that stuff?
Yeah.
What is that? Monosodium glutamate?
Yeah, they say
Glutamate?
M-H-E.
Oh, MSG. Gotcha.
Yeah, a little bit, not too much.
What's that even for? Do you know? Do you even know what that's for?
Japan. Nothing Japan, right?
That's not what I'm asking. I'm asking if you, what it's for. Like, why do you put it into food?
My culture like it. I don't know.
Your culture like that? You don't know?
I see American, they just use the salt and pepper. Whereas for my culture, I mix with that and sugar.
Do you need to add more soy sauce?
You need to try it. Make sure it's not salty. You know that? Depends for somebody, they like salty. I don't like, they like sweet, they can add sugar. But don't need to make sugar too much because make it, what is it, say? Burn.
Oh, the sugar make it burn?
Yeah. And make the rice stick in the pan. Now, it's slow.
You put it on.
And you try it.
Why do I gotta try it?
It's good for you.
Your food's always good for me.
Thank you. It's sweet, right?
Yeah, it's sweet.
And right now you try sweet. You can make more for sauce. Or the soy sauce, you know that sauce or soy sauce.
Add more soy sauce? Are you adding more?
I add more the salt.
Oh, you're adding more salt.
Yeah. And a little bit pepper.
A little bit of pepper?
Yeah, black pepper. See that? Make sure you have slow. Yeah. Because right now the rice so crispy. Somebody they like cook for 10 minutes, make the rice crispy. But for you and me, I just like the rice has a round for the sauce or something. And then it's too soft. And you put for 2 eggs or 1 egg or 4 eggs you want. You understand?
Yep.
Okay. For me and you, because I have the sausage, I just put for 2 eggs. And mix it. When the dry have around for the egg, you see it?
Mm-hmm.
But the egg not done, you can put for the sausage. You just make that.
So when the egg's almost not done, then you put in the sausage, or you mean when the egg is almost done?
No,
when
not done. Almost done.
So
when
it's almost done, as in it's not cooked all the way.
right.
Okay, just clarifying.
Because when the egg all done, make your rice so dry. So dry. And not soft. You cannot. You can eat it. Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Almost done. Yeah. And I know my you can eat without look like that without the vegetable, but I know my husband don't like vegetable, but I like vegetable.
So you're adding trash, and there goes the trash.
Yeah. It come for you can use for the green onion.
Green onion. Yeah.
You know that? Or you can use onion, red onion, sweet
Red onion,
onion.
sweet onion.
Yeah, or you can use cilantro. I don't forget.
Or cilantro.
Yeah, somebody they mix with the corn.
Corn.
It's good, but I don't have corn. Yeah, it's done.
Now it's done.
You can eat. I just make now for the big bowl. Okay.
And then she just dumps it all back in there. Are you gonna cover up the spoon? Give me the spoon.
The egg.
That's the egg.
Mm.
Knowing my buddy, this loser is probably just now tuning in at the very end. He's got to rewatch the clip once I'm done.
Yeah. It's good now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, my husband like it.
That it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Well, that's it. Now we go eat. Samir, why'd you put that in my hand? Bye.
Bye.